I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you an easy way how to do some grouting. I've got the mix already made up. Now all I'm going to be doing with the grout is getting that in the joints. Just get it in there. Making sure you've got full joints there. Just using a filling knife there just to push the grout in. And once I've done that, I'll give it a going over with the squeegee. Just want to get those joints filled up. Don't be frightened if you're getting over the tiles there, you're going to scrape that off in a sec. All I'm doing is just filling these up. Get them all nice and filled there. Then with my squeegee, just get that nice push in. Work that grout into the joints. Just making sure that everything's fully warm. I've got some mastic coming along the bottom there, so just get these joints filled up. Once you get it to that stage, what I'm going to be using is a sponge, damp sponge, and just working that in there like that. And that's it, that's how easy it is. Get your grout in, level it off, and then just use a sponge to go over that. Once that's dry, I'll give it a nice buff off with a nice microfiber cloth, and that'll come up perfect.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.